I'm gonna film a what I eat in a day today because I felt like it and I think it's gonna be a good food day. I am starting off a bit weird and not like usual though, because I've had my coffee, but I've not had breakfast and it's 11 a.m. Just because I've been busy and been putting it off. And now I'm starving. So I'm gonna go have my breakfast, which is my usual and the one I've been having every day this week. So let's go. Okay, so James was in a meeting downstairs, so I can talk through while I was spooning it in for you. But basically it's super simple. I make a massive batch of overnight oats at the start of the week, using high protein yogurt, like strained yogurt and oats. I accidentally spilled the chia seeds in this one, so way too heavy in chia seeds, but I've been living through. And a bit of honey and some oat milk, and just leave that and use that throughout the week. And I've added some frozen berries, which again I just leave in a massive pot to defrost, and then I mush them slightly with some honey or sugar, and just use that throughout the week, and a spoon of almond butter, and that's it. I've been having that every morning, unless I'm bored of it, then I don't, but it's really handy and easy and quick. So yes, a bit late, but I'm gonna have that now. Right, we've just come back from the gym and are absolutely starving, so I'm just making a quick pasta with lots of veg and some protein bits in there. I'm adding peas and cannellini beans, and yeah, should be nutritious but tasty. Gonna add some lemon zest, parsley, chili, and lots of extra virgin olive oil. Let me show you. So here I'm just cooking off some pasta and my greens. That's great, meant to do that. And then here I've got courgettes and onions. Just gonna brown them as much as I can while the pasta cooks. Gonna add some sad looking spinach. Neither of my pans are big enough, but somehow I'm going to mix these together, add some lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper, you get the idea. I've changed pans. You know when you're starving and things go wrong? I had a right pan palaver, to say the least. Basically, it all didn't get stirred in well. I decided I couldn't be bothered to save pasta water and drain, so I decided to just half drain and didn't realise I left way too much water in there. And yeah, I didn't mix it very properly, so some bitefuls are like quite bland. But the ones that are mixed properly are nice. And now that I've recovered from my extreme hunger and I've eaten half of it, I'm enjoying myself more. So yeah, struggle bus was going fast, but I'm off it now. And yes, I'm just enjoying my nice plate of green pasta. I just wanted to I had a moment where I was like, oh, never mind. I just won't post this what I eat in a day and won't bother, too bad. But then I thought, well, it is what I eat in a day. And I know a lot of these videos are usually planned, and so this might be nice to show when it's unplanned. Not everything goes well, but we learn, and it's not that bad. It's really nice, it's just not the best. And I was too hungry. So after work I felt a little bit stressed and flustered, so I changed out of my gym clothes into something a bit nice, and I made myself a nice snack of some strawberries with some elderflower cordial stirred in and a hibiscus tea, aka antioxidant city, and lots of calming nutrients and smells, so really nice little snack. And then we went for a nice stroll with Pasha, the black Labrador, and it smelled really nice because there was elderflower everywhere. So that was lovely. We're having friends over for dinner tonight, which is exciting, and James has made birria tacos, which I'm really excited for, but I'm just making a few bits to go with it. So I'm making my corn salsa, which is kind of my go-to when we have tacos. It's super simple. I just burn spring onions, a jalapeno, and then I use some frozen corn and mix that with lime zest and lime juice, and that's it, and it's amazing. And then we're gonna make some margaritas, and I really fancied making peach syrup to use in that because there's some peaches that are looking a bit worse for wear, so I'm just going to prep that as well, and then we'll be good to go. That's not it at all. I forgot I made tortillas, so I'm gonna cook those. Well, I'm in absolute awe of how well those tortillas have worked. I used a recipe and I shall be linking it in the description because it's amazing. The birria in the oven smells incredible. The tortillas have tortilled and I cannot wait. And that's all the cooking done. Friends arrived, we had some peach margaritas, which worked really nicely, loved that colour. And my friend got me a bouquet, which I became absolutely obsessed with, such pretty flowers. But anyway, that was it. Enjoyed some margaritas with a few crisps, and then just finished off the birrias in a pan so that the cheese would melt, and served it with the dipping gravy, and it was really delicious. Really enjoyed that. And then for pudding, we had some Tunnock's tea cakes. That was a lovely evening and a lovely Friday, although a bit chaotic. Hope you enjoyed this slightly more casual video. Let me know if you want me to make more like this, and remember to subscribe for more videos every week.